Welcome to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to fix Hotmail login problems. There may be various reasons on why you are having trouble logging into your Hotmail account. First step is to check if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you have a stable internet connection, try logging into your account back again. If it still doesn't work, next step is to update your Hotmail. For that, you need to go to your App Store. If you need an update, then you will be seeing an update option beside the option open. But you can see that the update has already been done, so you can't see the option over here. Now make sure to update your app if you have to update it, and try logging into your account once again. If you are having problem logging in, then another step is to uninstall the application and install it once again. To uninstall the application, all you have to do is long press on the app. You can now see that your application has been uninstalled. Now again you have to go to your App Store and install the application once again. After you are done installing the application once again, enter your credential and try to log in. These are some of the fixes you would try out whenever you are having problem logging into your Hotmail account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.